Abhi. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable to get access of your firewall of Sophos team. So you can go in the admin and user settings. Under admin and user settings, you can go scroll down, and you can see Sophos Assistant. If you turn on this Sophos Assistant, and when you create a case of this Sophos team, then Sophos team automatically will access your firewalls, and they can change and modify, and they can monitor your firewalls. But this is if you allow, then they can access, otherwise they cannot access your firewalls. So you can just click on turn on button, and then apply. Once you click on apply, then Sophos team will access your firewalls from their office locations. So this is options how you can use, but this option you can enable when you need Sophos support, when you have created any support case, and during that time you are not in the office, and then Sophos team want to access 24/7 hours working, 24 hours for monitoring or any other purchase, then you can give these settings, otherwise you can block. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.